Hi everyone, I got some yarn to do a second Sophie's Universe with, and it finally came in. I ordered it from Wool Warehouse, so I wanted to show you what I got. I'm like super excited. So before I show you the yarn, it came with a paper that says Sophie's Universe, rainbow color crafter in its version, and it shows you the list of colors I got, and it tells me which color to use for each round all the way down. It's color coded. It tells the name of the color and the color number, which is fantastic, and it's heavy paper. It's not lightweight paper, and it came with this, which is super cool. I love this. It came with a leather tag that says Sophie's Universe. It has the LookWhatIMade.net website and Sheepgees, which is the yarn. And this is leather. It smells like leather. And it's authentic Sophie's Universe. So it came with this. I'm not going to put this on my blanket. I actually have a Sophie's Universe bag that I had ordered, and I'm going to put it on that. And here is the yarn right here. So we can see, I'll show you the different colors. So it is Sheepgees Color Crafter, and we'll read the deets on one of them because they're all the same. It is 100 grams or 300 meters. It's 100% anti-pilling premium acrylic. This is a DK weight. But there's a light pink. There is this beautiful blue. Look at this bright yellow. And this raspberry color right here. And there is this, it's lavender, a lavender color. There's another pink color. This is the main color, which is another light blue aqua color. Here is the green. Here's the dark purple. And it comes with one of these, right? Yes, it comes with one of these. But it tells you on the website that you might run out. So I bought an extra one on my own, just, on the side, because you might run out of this. So I bought one extra one on my own, just to be on the safe side. But yeah, the kit comes with 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to count them up for you. Hang on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The kit comes with 15 balls of yarn. The kit comes with 15 balls of yarn, the color thing, and the leather tag. And it's 38 pounds plus shipping. And it's like $42, $43 American. And I bought this extra skein right here on my, separate from the kit. And I paid for extra shipping. I didn't go with Royal Mail. I went with DHL. So it total came to $52 and change. And that was paying for DHL shipping, which is like 3 to 5 days. And it was well worth it. So if you were interested in that, check out Wool Warehouse. And in the search bar, just put in Sophie's Universe, and it'll come up as the one that's 38 pounds. Just click that, and in the description, it will tell you which color it is. It tells you if you do not have 33 meters of Herline left at the start of round 78, you won't have enough to complete the round. So I bought an extra ball of Herline just to make sure I would have plenty, because if I have any left over, I'll just make a hat or something. Why not? It doesn't hurt. I just wanted to make sure I had plenty for my blanket. So I'm excited. I can't wait to start this one on the 7th. For those of you that don't know, we are making this is a crochet along with Kira the Yarny Elephant, and I'll link her channel is linked down below. So check out Kira the Yarny Elephant, guys, and join the Sophie's Universe crochet along. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.